Your mind is spinning out of control. An overwhelming wave of anxiety, bad news, or uncertain fear hits you. You feel a knot in your stomach and a sudden surge of nervous energy. A normal response would be to sit down, take a deep breath, or talk to someone. But you do the exact opposite. You grab a sponge, a broom, or open your laptop. You start frantically scrubbing the kitchen counters, organizing your closet, or answering emails at midnight. To the outside world, you look like a superhero of discipline. They compliment you. "I wish I had your drive. Your house is so clean." But you know the truth. You are not cleaning because you love order. You are running for your life. Let's decode the hidden psychology of why you clean or work when you are anxious. In psychology, this behavior is a hallmark of high-functioning anxiety. It is an active flight trauma response disguised as productivity. Where does this drive to clean or work come from? It almost always originates in a past environment where chaotic emotions were unsafe. Maybe you grew up in a household with unpredictable adults or constant conflict. You learned that you could not control the adults, the arguments, or the chaos. So you focused on the only thing you could control: your room, your chores, or your grades. Cleaning became a coping mechanism to create a small island of predictability. Your young nervous system formed a strict rule: when internal chaos strikes, control external things to survive. Fast forward to your adult life. When anxiety hits today, your brain panics. Anxiety is an internal threat. It lives in your thoughts, your body, and your nervous system. You cannot physically pick up your internal fear and wash it away with soap. Because you cannot control your internal emotions, your brain desperately seeks something external to control. It looks at the messy sink or the unread inbox and says, "Aha, I can fix that." Wiping a counter gives your brain a rapid, artificial sense of completion and control. It tricks your nervous system into believing you have solved the crisis.